Chapter 10, Supply Chain Management, Building Relationship in Supply Chain. Here's my reflection in Chapter 10. Building Supply Chain Relationship. Two factors are crucial to a company growth. The first requirement is the ability to maintain market shares by selling product at a profit. I learned about in this chapter is about first thing is selling your own product at a profit. It means selling your own product uh, with a profit. It is important in business when if you're a businessman or entrepreneur or conducting a business, always aim for a profit. Uh, you're uh, you started a business to earn money, of course. That's always the thing that includes when it comes to business. Earning money and earning profits, maximizing your profits when it comes to selling. If you sell your product, much more if you maximize your profit and to learn it by maintaining your market share and sell your product at profitable price. And second thing is the prescribed is the ability to assess the consistency of the high quality of supply of necessary product. It means two things like the high quality of the product and the uh, high supply of your own product. Uh, what is it about? For me, it's about the high quality. It includes that just like I tackle in the chapter 9. I said it is important when it comes to quality of the product. It attracts more consumers nowadays. Mostly they looking for the most they mostly look for expensive ones because they know the expensive it is, the good quality it is. But there are some people that who buy more less pricey, but at the same time they can get good quality. It's either good quality or a bad quality of a product. But in having a pricey, mostly you can guarantee it is a good quality when it comes to expensive and expensive products. And the second thing is the supply of your own products, stocking up your own supply when it comes to if your product is a high demand and a high quality product. You must maintain the supply or the supply of your own product. You must maintain it to satisfy the demand of your own consumer or or your retailers and the clients that will buy to your own product. Those two factors are important when it comes to uh, company's growth. The having selling your product at a profit and having a high quality of supply or having a high quality of your own product. And those two factors mostly I learned in chapter 10, building supply chain relationship. Uh, Mostly I want to add more is building supply chain relationship is about for my own opinion or for my own insights about the title itself is the relationship that catch my attention is about mostly uh, just like I say, the two factors mostly they are connected to one another, the profit and the high quality of your own product. You will gain profit if your product is quality or high demand when it comes to business. if your product's high demand, mostly you will earn more, and you can sell it to a profitable price. And that's all in chapter 10, building supply chain relationship.